Here I've got BLAUPUNKT SF and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning we have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down, locate and open Backup and Reset tab. And here you will notice Network Settings Reset. So if you truly want to perform it, click on this icon and be aware that this operation will reset all the settings for Wi-Fi, cellular data and also Bluetooth. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform this reset, click on Reset Settings. Now just confirm it one more time, as this operation cannot be undone. So click on Reset Settings when you are sure that you want to do it, and that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.